Good afternoon. Welcome to the NYNJPA weather video forecast discussion for today, which is July 28th, 2014. It's currently 1 p.m. and, well, we're definitely going to see some improving weather conditions. We do have to dodge a few showers here and there for this afternoon, and then it's going to be absolutely beautiful this upcoming week. In fact, it's going to be so nice that temperatures are going to average below normal, humidity well below normal, and there's going to be very little chance of any type of rainfall throughout the week. Next weekend, not as well of a forecast, not as good of a forecast, should I say, with the threat for some scattered showers. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance and see what we're dealing with. So let's take a look at the latest observations for this afternoon. Again, as of 1 p.m., we have temperatures in the lower to mid 70s over the northern interior. I mean, this is pretty cool for this time of year. And mid to upper 70s, even a few lower 80s mixed in along the coast. We have a westerly wind over the northern interior, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Along the coast and over Connecticut, we have winds from the southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. So that means we have a cold front moving through the region, and you could see the drop in humidity out to the west. Now, there's going to be a threat for a scattered to isolated shower throughout this afternoon. Not a washout, but a bit of a nuisance. You can see some of those showers up here in western New York. When we take a look at the latest surface map, this is pretty cool because what we have overlaid here is the dew points and the actual cold front. So here's the cold front, here's the secondary cold front, and here is some very dry air for this time of year where dew points are below 56 degrees, which is pretty low for this time of year. So what we have here is falling humidity for this afternoon, and by this evening, absolutely beautiful weather conditions will be in place with scattered cloud cover to clearing skies, dew points falling off, and also our low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s for lows. Even a few lower 50s. I can't rule out even an upper 40-degree temperature somewhere in northeastern Pennsylvania or in the Hudson River Valley or in northern Connecticut. That's how chilly it's going to get as the skies clear out. The only thing that could hold up those temperatures is a little bit of a wind from the northwest at around 10 miles per hour. So you can see our low pressure system is about to exit. And take a look at the radar here. See all these showers here? This is all developed based on what we call instability. These are instability showers. I'm going to show you in a water vapor exactly what I mean. But basically what that is that temperatures at the surface are rather warm and temperatures in the upper levels are rather cold, much like yesterday. This time they're not as intense, thus you're not going to see any severe weather, but it's enough of an instability to produce these little popcorn showers and even isolated thunderstorms over northeastern Pennsylvania. And those showers and thunderstorms are going to rotate through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area for this afternoon. Key word here is isolated, and by 7 o'clock, as the sun is starting to set and the temperatures cool off, that instability is lost, and so therefore what you end up with are these showers collapsing and dry conditions taking hold, especially after 8 p.m. On the water vapor satellite picture, you can see this very clearly. Here's our upper level low. This is one impressive area of low pressure, by the way, for this time of year. See all that dry air invading and driving into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, into New England. A very impressive upper level lows taking shape, a nice deep trough. That cold front is blowing through the region. And then here's your instability that I was talking about over the eastern Great Lakes that's going to swing through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Up until this afternoon, let's say about 6, 7 p.m., you're going to see a threat for an isolated shower or even an isolated thunderstorm. But then after 7 p.m., the temperatures fall off enough that instability is no longer strong enough to support showers, and these showers collapse with no threat whatsoever for the region for the rest of the evening. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see this very clearly developing with scattered cloud cover in place over much of Pennsylvania, and then those showers rotating over the eastern Great Lakes and western New York. Finally, I want to show you the model guidance from the PennState UL website, the European model guidance again for this evening. That cold front exits the region. By tomorrow morning, the cold front will be well off the coast and high pressure will be in control. Temperatures this evening falling into the mid to upper 50s. For tomorrow and for Wednesday and for Thursday, and for Friday, high pressure will be in complete control with scattered cloud cover to clear skies. Temperatures are going to be rather chilly. Now, on tomorrow afternoon, we're talking about high temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Impressive. For Wednesday, mid to upper 50s for lows, upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. Could be a few mid 80s in your urban locations. On Thursday, upper 50s to lower 60s, a little bit closer to near normal levels, lower to mid 80s for highs. And on Friday, lower to mid 60s for lows, lower to mid 80s for highs. Again, we should be around 87, 88 degrees for this time of year. Instead, we'll be struggling to push past 83 degrees. So definitely below normal for this time of year. And then for this weekend, we're going to have to watch out for this disturbance right here. As this disturbance moves through the region on Saturday and Sunday, look for the threat for scattered showers throughout the region for both days on Saturday and Sunday with rather cool conditions. We're looking at low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s, and a threat for scattered showers throughout the entire weekend. So not the best weekend, unfortunately. It looks like our string of excellent weekend weather is at an end, and now we're starting to shift towards a pattern where the week is nice and the weekend not so much. So that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather at Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. And as always, stay safe out there.